guys, so, somebody asked me to show them how to make an intro, and that is Guy. So let me show them how to make an intro. First, download intro maker. I did intro maker. Let me see. I forgot the name. What is it again? Hold up. Just search up intro maker and scroll down. You see this, download it, open it. I just finished creating mine. If you want to see it, then here we go. How do we do this? Well, I'm gonna show you right now. First, you open it, the app. First, you open the app, then go over here, choose anything you want, like this, or this, or this, anything. And choose one, like, I chose music, because I can like, put music in it, you know. And this one, maybe this one. But no. How about this one? Let me see. Never mind. It didn't work. That's nice. Haha. Okay, for example, let me make this one then. Alright. Here we go. Your title. You can put your name in it like this. DX Gaming. That's my channel name. I mean DX Plays. But I like to put DX Gaming. It's good. Alright. Okay, see that? It just, yeah. Now put whatever music you want. Well, I'm not gonna click any because it has like copyright, I think. So you can import music from your like videos. So like you can record like a 10-second or 20-second music for your intro and just import it here. Import it. Extract from video. See? And then you can choose a video that has music, and then you can like click it and like only show you can only hear the music, not the video. And yeah. Okay, let me see mine. Hey yo, what happened? Okay, it seems to be very broken right now. Okay, there we go. For example, I'm gonna choose this music. Where is it? You suck. Yes, this one. Yeah. I can't snap, I suck. So yeah, any music you want, then export it. Now, you go to the App Store, search up this Splice. Okay, you have to press new project. These are like all my videos. Yeah. New project. Click the intro you wanted. Make any name. I don't even know how to spell these days. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's where the music ends. So like if your music ends in the middle of the intro, just use Splice, like do this and stuff. My music is 7 seconds, so yeah. too late, I think. Okay, we're good. You can add an effect, bro. Look at this. This is sick. See? Boom. You can make the effect how long you want. Okay, for example, I used this one. It's like the one in my new intro. Now go here, and now click anything, Ultra 4K, yeah, and click save. You should wait about like a few seconds. I don't, yeah. Okay, choose the intro you made, click new project, click the intro you made, click a name, and boom, there's your intro. And but always put your intro first, bro. Always put your intro first, though. And you can add any video you want. So yeah.